What is going on, guys? It's Caleb here, and today I'm back with another video. I'm just talking about more of ClawdBot. So, as you guys can tell, I've set this up already. Here's it in the Telegram chat, and I set this up in Telegram just because I thought it was easiest. I wasn't gonna do iMessage, and I'm kind of just more comfortable with Telegram. So, anyways, I'll get right into it. I had pretty much asked it up here. Make a sheet and make a list of names of all equipment a new washing company would need if they start in all the niches. And then I said put the cost of each thing roughly beside the name in another row. So from that output, it generated me all of this. So it made me like literally stuff that I haven't even seen before. It threw it onto this, right? It told me the price, the primary use for it, in which service or niche, and then it gave me the equipment item. Alright, and then I basically asked it again. I said, make another tab with a more of a starter setup, just the buckets, water fed pool, squeegee scrubber, stuff like that, because all of this is very expensive. Like that's a $51,000 startup, right? So when you go to the starter kit now, I haven't even looked at this yet, so we're looking at this together for the first time. So the Galchem buckets, water fed pool, commercial squeegee, so everything that I pretty much gave it, except it has details, so 6 and 10 step ladder, roof rack system, high roof cargo van, ratchet straps, tool tot, quick connect O-rings. Now, the new startup cost would only be $10,000, okay? And now, if I said to it, so now, once this comes through, it should pop up with a new tab. So these are all kind of just plans that I have planned out for different types of people that are on different levels of pressure washing. So if you guys were just starting out, this would definitely be the one for you. This one is more of an advanced one, so I'll literally name this. So it actually made this right here. I'm going to tell the Telegram bot to add this to the A tier equipment kit sheet and add it in a new tab. Okay, so here we go. Driveway starter. So this is a good entry level niche focus, driveways, walkways, porch entry, core ticket, 349 base. Okay. So okay, see, so it's even saying get a used 4 gallon per minute belt drive washer. Okay, it's hot 100-foot hose, 100-foot contractor hose. So it doesn't give me the actual cost, so I'm going to be fully transparent with you guys, like it did do its job. However, it's giving me pretty much like the cheapest way to go, alright? And now, that's for the driveways. Now let's say, make a window starter tab with 25 budget, make. So now, we will see if it literally spits out all 3 of those tabs with all of that data within the 3 tabs, okay? This is like the part that's getting crazy because now you wouldn't be able to do this within like 30 minutes. You would have to spend a bit of time or research or ask a few prompts within ChatGPT to get all of this, and then you would have to copy and paste it. With ClawdBot, having this and just texting it and then it just adds it to a sheet is actually, it's insane to me because like you literally have a worker now on your team. Like it's wild to me. And this is just one of the things that it can do. This is one of the APIs out of the thousands that you can connect and give it access to control, do whatever you want. I was having a bit of an issue with the Olama tool, so I connected the Olama and they were saying it's free. However, I was testing Olama and like it's not that intelligent compared to other things. Okay, wow, so the 3 tabs just popped up and nothing is in them yet. That's not an issue though. So let's just wait in this first one and we'll see. So let's first see 2,500. Okay, that's pretty good. So that is now accurate. Total spend 2490. That is off, but that is. Let's now check this out. So this one was already correct. So let's space these out as well. So water fed pool, 2-stage DI cart, traditional kit, 6-gallon window bucket, fiberglass, tool belt, microfiber, Glass safe scrapers, yep. All of this is honestly perfect. And a marketing kit, wow. So it even gives you the local lead gen proof around job. It gives you $100 to start with in the marketing kit. Fuel maintenance, compact 3-step platform ladder. So like, bro, it literally is planning not just for you to do a job, but to market, to get the job, and then just keep going. So like, it's building you the whole business from here. Let's check out the gutters. Gives you the ladder, standoff, gutter vacuum, gas pack blower, hand tools, tool belt, roof anchor, telescoping, warning cones, marketing kit, fuel and maintenance, consumables. Okay. And then this all in total, $24.90, just $10 under the total spend. And then here, it's at $2,500 right on the dot. That is actually pretty sick. Okay. So let's check out what it has here. 200 plate compactor, polymeric sand initial inventory. So realistically, I wouldn't even grab the sand before I get the job, because you always want to make sure that the sand is the correct color. You always want to grab the sand after you do the wash, just before you're about to sand the client's driveway. That's personally what we do, just to not screw ourselves over. But this year we probably will grab in bulk. Joint sweeper and tamping tool set. That's pretty good. Cordless leaf blower. That's exactly what you need. Moisture melt or meter, sorry. Knee boards, containment berm, consumables, marketing kit. So it gives you again a marketing kit. This one's only $70, but that's not bad. Fuel and maintenance full of $50. So honestly, not terrible. Each one of these $8.99 standard patio set. So yeah, that is pretty darn good. So like subscribe and follow if you guys like this type of content. Like, I'm gonna keep posting whatever I built within OpenClaw. Hopefully you guys can see the value out of this, and I'm just gonna keep posting from here. So stay tuned for more content, and I will talk to y'all soon. Peace.